crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are working with the January Collection Obsession series, and I've got a couple of different collections to finish up, so I brought them both in here. I've had this one in my stash and I've used it quite a bit. I hope this is in frame here. It is Bundled Up by Alicia Gordon from Cartabella. It is from 2014. It has the yummiest textured papers. So I'm going to set this off to the side and I'm going to show you what I have in terms of full sheets and what I have in terms of scraps. Okay, I have two full sheets. Here is one. Here's the A side. They no longer have the branding strips, so I don't know what they are, but I'm thinking this side. I also have this and this. And then that's it for, I don't even think this is a full sheet. No, it's not. It's got an inch missing. That's fine, we'll work with it. And here are my scraps. I love this one. I definitely think I can do something with this. I think this is a 12. Yeah, this is still 12 inches across this way. And here's the B side. I've got a ton of like little scraps and big scraps, so you'll have to just bear with me. I have this red stripe here. Just for a little bit of contrast, I'm just going to keep it on the red. I've got several of these polka dot ones that have the chevron on the back, but I really love the polka dots. So here I have another polka dot. I have another polka dot. Here's another little strip of the polka dot. Here's another strip of the polka dot. All right, let me just take a look and make sure. I do have a little bit of this red. And let me just look through. Oh, I have another little one of that. I just love it so much, like I kept everything. Here's a random white cardstock. So here are counterparts. Oh, there. There's a cute one. Okay. Here's some of this paper. I have that one and a larger one of that and a little sliver. I also have this red and this brown. So that's it in terms of paper. And then let me show you what I have for embellishments. More of the polka dot. And some of this. It looks like I punched it out. Here is the sticker sheet that goes along with it. It's been quite used, but I still have some elements left. I did end up putting this one in here. It is not the same collection. It's called Snow Patrol, but it's also, and this one is Simple Stories. but it has the mood and feel of that other collection, so I'll see if I can use any of this up. Otherwise, it's gonna go in my winter embellishments. All right, so that's what I have for that. And let me show you this other one. It's called Winter Wonderland by Simple Stories. Just getting the rest of the remnants of the collection. I've used this before as well. And it's all I have is a 6x6 paper pad. They're double-sided sheets. It was a whole peachy cheap collection. Like you get, you get a whole bunch of stuff. I have the die cuts in this folder. I have enamel dots, and I also have I have 8 4x6 sticker sheets that came in here, and they also included 3 washi tapes. This is a collection from 2016. I think I remember getting this during the pandemic, so I'll leave the scraps for after and do some of the full sheets that I still have left. So here's the A side, here's the B side. I love this. It's a wood grain. Here's this beautiful Simple Stories yellow check, the trees. I'm trying to see, maybe this way. I should just pull these out because I don't think I'm going to keep them in here. It just makes it easier. See, that's pretty. This red is really nice. It's like almost a brick color. So it's not extremely like in your face vibrant. This is really pretty as well. It's cute. Ledger. Beautiful stripes. I love this combo with the earth tones and these blues and the brick red. There's some small scale snowflakes. This almost looks like a really dark wood grain. I don't know if my eyes are just playing tricks on me. There's beautiful floral with, I was going to say with the acorns, but it's pine cones. Here's another wood grain. Oh, this is another beautiful wood grain. And looks like a birch tree. Here's some cut-aparts. Front and back cut-aparts. These look to be about 1.5 by 2. These are 2 by 3s. These also look 2 by 3s. 2 by 3s. And then these look 2 by 2s. Yeah, these look like 2 by 2s. So very cute. Like I said, I've played with this before. I don't remember what I created with it before, but clearly I did. And so let me show you what I still have left over. I'm gonna try to separate the cut-aparts here as I go through this. Here's some cut-aparts. I think maybe I can fussy cut that. Although, oh, looks like I may just have taken a chunk out of the paper. But I think I can use it as a cut-apart. These are just scraps. I might be able to die cut some of these too. These are cut-aparts. Here's some cut-aparts that are still almost intact. Here's same thing here. This is scrap paper. Here's some cut-aparts. scraps. I don't know if I'm going to put that back in. Here's some scrap paper. I'm really liking this. I think I'm going to take it out of this other one. I think I had to or used to. I think I'm going to use that. Use either side there. I don't think I'm going to keep these. I don't think I'll use these. So those will go in the recycling. So what I was thinking of doing with this one is using, I do have some classes that by Allison Davis from Scrapbook Generation. I might be able to refer to some of the older class content just to see if I can spark. So here's what I have for this kit, and I'm excited to play with it, and maybe I can bash my stash here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.